Good morning, dear friends. Today we discuss about general agriculture. Let's start. Indian mustard is Brassica gentiana, growing a plant in different height in the same field in the same time is called multi-storied cropping. Chemical relationship is done between two cells by plasmodesmata. The thermophilic bacteria generally grows in the temperature of 50 to 70 degrees Celsius. Phage DNA and bacterium DNA convert into phage virus part by which component enzyme, which plant seeds is not endospermic in nature to orchids, which plant is used for its coppery colored leaves, Euphorbia metallica or Euphorbia centifolius, which plant is suitable for the shady situation, Salvia baradari is important feature of Mughal garden. Botanical name of Madhvi is Heptage bengalensis. Jasmine humile produce yellow colored flower. The annual arranged according to the nearest color scheme is called analogous color scheme. Botanical name of French rose is Rosa gallica. Common disorder of carnation is calyx splitting. Bent neck is the common disorder of rose. Share of agriculture in national GDP is now present near about 14%. Correlation coefficient lies between plus minus 1. Highest productivity of wheat is Punjab. Area of BT cotton is in India is more than 7.6 million hectare. Carnation is a long day plant. The most critical stage during the growth of wheat is CRI stage. Important constituent of rose flavors is phenyl ethyl alcohol. The art of training plants into different shape of birds, animals or statues is topiary. According to ICMR, vegetable required per capita per day is 300 grams. One plant having three type of dormancy is Abna sativa. Kisan Divas is celebrated on 23rd December. NAIP was started in the year 2006. IBLP was started in the year 1995. The term extension was given by Cambridge University, England. Biggest tree of the world is banyan tree. Kisan culture begins in the year 2004. Which element is responsible for the nodulation in the legumes? Phosphorus. Yellow vein mosaic virus disease is related to bhindi or okra. Kernal bunt in wheat is caused by Neosea indica fungus. Which chemical hormone is used for the regular bearing in mango is paclobetrazole pp 333. Total food grain production is now 2020-21 296.7 metric ton. Jacaranda mimicifolia produces which color of flower? Blue. Propagation of cocoa is done by seeds according to land capability classes. Which class is suitable for the intensive grazing? Class 5. Which type of monsoon is mostly responsible for the rainfall in India? Southwest monsoon. Precision piercing and sucking type of mouth parts are found in aphids. Father of extension is Moulton or J.P. ligens. The only mineral constituent of chlorophyll molecule is magnesium. The origin place of soybean is China. The sugarcane inflorescence is known as Aero. National Biodiversity Board is located in New Delhi. In 2010, global area under the transgenic crop is 148, now more than 148 million hectare. Flavor saver is a variety of tomato. High yielding variety of wheat was developed by Borlaug International Research Institute situated at Tivercroft, Seattle, Colombia. Rattoning is associated with sugarcane. Dwarfing gene of wheat is Norrin 10.